We'll guide you through how to download Dropbox for your PC. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and type in dropbox.com in the address bar, then press Enter. Once you're on the Dropbox homepage, look for the Download button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the download page. Here, you'll see a button that says Download Dropbox. Click on it to start downloading the installer file. Once the file is downloaded, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the Dropbox installer to run it. A window will pop up to guide you through the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will typically involve agreeing to the terms and conditions and choosing the installation location. After that, click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once Dropbox is installed, it will automatically open and prompt you to sign in. If you already have a Dropbox account, enter your email and password to log in. If not, you can create a new account by clicking on the Sign Up link and following the registration prompts. Once logged in, Dropbox will create a folder on your computer where you can easily drag and drop files to sync them across your devices. That's it, you're all set. Dropbox is now ready to help you store and share your files seamlessly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.